What up, YouTube? I'm Chili Dog, and tonight I'm going to do an unboxing of the HP OMEN Transcend 14-inch gaming laptop. I got this at Best Buy. It was $1,800. Here's the specs. Got the 5070 RTX. So what it is, a gaming laptop. Let's take a look at it. Ooh. Very heavy. You got your books. Pluck them, unfile them, as Flossie says. Cords, power brick, nice. Let's see how we open here. Go. Let's see if we got some power. Nope, no power. So it's got the 14-inch screen, Intel 9, RTX 5070. Very nice. Like the keys. Keys feel good. Big trackpad. Fortunately, no power. No power. Very heavy. Feels very well built. Ooh. This is actually my very first laptop I've ever had. I've had desktops. I've never really had a need for a laptop. It's kind of gotten to the point where I need a laptop now. For business. Okay. I know that was really exciting, and everybody's really excited. I'll get this plugged in, get it charged up, and I'll probably do another video once I get it charged up. But that's it. HP OMEN Transcend 14-inch gaming laptop with RTX 5070. And we'll probably try some games on it, so forth and so on. And we'll see how it goes from there. Peace.